over 25 years, I've worked on hundreds of live events as a professional media solutions expert. Over that time, I've encountered many common challenges of which I've struggled to find the perfect solution. So I decided to solve them myself. I'm proud to introduce a new breakthrough in presentation technology, a set of tools and a digital platform that will greatly enhance the production environment from operators to end client. We call it Smart Preso. Smart Preso is a collection of cloud-based web and desktop software tools. These tools allow producers to streamline the event production process, and it's adaptable to any level of stage design. This cloud-based approach allows all data for presentation content to be managed from a single database, which enables producers to have a simple, understandable, intuitive means of management. No more waiting on lengthy downstream processes. No more unnecessary additional levels of potential human error. Edit your data in one place with the confidence that the end result will be what you intended. We all know revisions are part of the industry, and Smart Preso makes that process as efficient and client-friendly as possible.
Smart Preso is the right product. I really do think Smart Preso is super easy for us as the client to interface with. You know, we deliver our videos, we work with them to do designs, and it just handles it so beautifully that, you know, it's seamless.
I know that we have a lot of last minute changes that come in. Any changes that we needed to make were A, possible, and B, would take place quickly. And it was really convenient, so it's great.
Because it's built on this database technology, it allows us to very simply and easily be able to update the show and keep accuracy way higher. And you can do that from anywhere.
Flexibility is at the heart of what we want to accomplish with Smart Preso, which is why we're putting a lot of emphasis in true random access queuing. And we're setting the bar high. We're not limiting this feature to a simple crossfade between two non-sequential cues. Smart Preso enables the user to define how a cue is revealed and how it is cleared. This allows the system to perform more advanced transitions, which creates an end result that is much more elegant, visually appealing, and most importantly, representative of intent.
We were trying to decide between option A and option B. It was really easy to see the two options side by side and to make a really quick game day decision. I liked this one better. And then to be able to move forward with that decision almost immediately. There was very little downtime, if any.
I think what JJ and Smart Preso have done is you're able to get that kind of flexibility that you were able to get in broadcast graphics and broadcast sports and put it into a corporate environment. The old days of emailing PowerPoints, emailing Excel files, doing reviews back and forth, having version control issues. It's just really refreshing to have JJ and his team and Smart Preso almost eliminate all of those issues.
By merging a familiar presentation interface with a high-end playback engine that rivals current media server technology, we've been able to streamline the entire workflow for even the largest shows. No more fitting square pegs into round holes. The days of layering PowerPoint over legacy media server software are over. It's time to have your cake and eat it too. With Smart Preso, create slide content in the same familiar method you are accustomed to, while facilitating PDF review in a very expeditious and accessible manner, all the while having the luxury of presenting and adapting to any level of stage design imaginable. All of this using high-end motion graphics and animation you would otherwise be limited to in only the highest-end media server software. And because we made the process of building cues so quick and easy, all of this is completely manageable even in the most complex show structure.
Smart Preso really opens up the door to be able to make a lot of those in-the-moment changes that can be done fairly quickly. So that was really just amazing for us because it's pretty standard for our meetings that we do have a lot of changes that do occur fairly last minute, be it swap videos around or adjusting content when we need to make those changes, and Smart Preso worked great for us.
Smart Preso really is just kind of a godsend in terms of giving us a tool that's really quick and easy to use.
I think Smart Preso is great. I would definitely recommend it to other clients or people that I work with. It's something that's going to, I'm sure, grow over time and really take the industry by storm.
We have been able to achieve a level of flexibility and efficiency with Smart Preso that is unsurpassed to anything in the industry. The ability to adapt, solve problems, create solutions is so important in this field. and it's time for a software platform to rise to the occasion. This is just the tip of the iceberg for Smart Preso, and we can't wait to share more with you in the very near future. Keep following us for more updates, and always remember, work smarter, not harder.